it's Simply Niecy again, coming to you with another video. I didn't expect this package to come until tomorrow, but it actually just got dropped at my doorstep, and the first thing I shouted was unboxing. Forgive the background, y'all. I was literally cleaning up, and I had to jump in and make sure that I gave you guys a peek at what I got. It's something that was on my wish list. The husband is going to kill me, but I'll be okay. But I watched several reviews of this particular item. Miss Tamika, Coach Craze, and Mo Knows Beauty inspired this, and I've actually been talking to Mo Knows Beauty about this on Instagram, and I've talked to Miss Tamika about it too. But I am super excited. I got this off of Poshmark for a steal, and I'm just excited. I really am. Like, I wasn't expecting this today. I was expecting it tomorrow, but I do have something else that's actually coming from the Coach outlet on tomorrow. And then I have to let the seller know that I actually received it. So I'm off camera, but this is how it was sent. Like this. Again, the seller was on Poshmark, and you probably already know what it is. It's my new favorite thing, or a renewed favorite thing. I am excited already, and I don't even have it out the box good. Look, y'all. Oh my God, I'm tickled. I am so tickled. If I'm going in and out, it's because I have this on the stand, and I'm trusting this ring light one more time. But and you'll see what I mean when the other video is uploaded, because the video that you'll see after this, or the one that goes up behind this one, was actually recorded first. So that's why I'm off screen and everything. But it is Coach. I'm excited. Coach, I had this bag in my shopping cart on the Coach outlet like on Wednesday or Thursday, and I came back an hour later and it was sold out. I was hurt, but I got it for a good price. Wasn't what the Coach outlet was expecting it to be, but it's okay. I still got it for a good price, and I am super excited. So let's see what I have. You see that, you probably already know what it is. Oh my God, and it matches what I have on today. It is the Dreamer. Oh my God. The Dreamer shoulder bag. Look at that, y'all. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I got this from a seller. She carried it one time. I think she has another one, but it doesn't have the gold riveting here. But this is the one I particularly wanted. There's a little something there, but that's okay. And that's that soft leather. It's got a scratch or something, but you really can't see it. Oh my God. I think this is buffalo leather on the sides here. And that smooth leather, like that's on my Cassie. Buffalo leather. And then it's suede. So I need to go get some Apple Guard. Order some Apple Guard or suede protectant or something to carry this bag. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. It is gorgeous. That's a back pocket. It has Coach embossed, Coach New York on the zippers. Oh my goodness. This bag is everything. On the rings it says Coach. On the rings. Oh my God. On the hooks, this is not a detachable strap. That's fine with me. You can carry it as a shoulder bag, and it comes with a detachable strap. Oh, look at that charm. And the Coach tag is here as well. This is navy blue, or I'm not sure that's what the color they're calling it, but it's navy blue. This is a magnetic pocket. Oh, it's a snap pocket. Excuse me. Snap pocket with that beautiful Oxblood interior. And she had it stuffed with paper. Oh my goodness. It's gorge. Oh, Lord. The zipper feels like a brand new zipper, y'all. You know how brand new zippers do their thing, and then, you know, you have to work with them a little bit. It's a brand new zipper. It does have Coach stamped on the inside of this fabric lining. So there's Coach printed on the inside of the lining. The first pocket. Oh my God, there's a snap closure, which is on the other side of the first one. And it has Coach New York stamped on that gold hardware. That's gorgeous. That's a more shiny gold. And then this side, that's the strap. She never used the strap. Has the Coach Creed. And it's a leather pull, zipper pull, just like on the Cassie. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Made in Vietnam. With the Coach carriage. Oh my God, y'all, this is gorgeous. The back pocket opens. There's Coach in the back pocket. Those are the cards. Yeah, the care instructions. The Coach care instructions. There's not a tag on where she purchased it, but that's okay. Yes, it is. No, that's the barcode thing, tag thing. I think I need to take that out because I set off an alarm yesterday in Walmart, and I think it was for that very reason. So I'm gonna put the care instructions back in the back pocket. That'll be my cell phone pocket. It does expand when you put things in it, but it also collapses is the word I'm looking for. It collapses and it will expand to carry your belongings. Good shoulder bag or crossbody bag. The straps are brand new and they're thin. It's a thin strap. I would like to use a thicker strap, so I'll probably be purchasing a signature strap with leather on one side and the canvas on the other. Oh my God. Coach engraved on the hardware on the inside there and on the hook and on the bottom of the chain there. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. Typical Coach strap, but it's an infinity strap, so you can just 7 on that side, I think 7 on the bottom, so you can make it as long or short as you need it. Whew, I am so happy. Oh my God, I couldn't wait to give this to y'all. So I'll upload more. I'm gonna play with it a little bit, a little nostalgic, but I will definitely keep you guys posted. Okay, talk to y'all soon. Coach Dreamer shoulder bag. Bye.